Hmong Family Association of Lansing. Nuna, Yang Hmoob, một con hồng hồng Yang Hmoob, một con hồng em, bé con hồng hồng, cho con hồng Hmong SGU Family of Michigan, trong xia tỏ giải này, một con bé lưu con chân hồng nọ, con giò hồng hồng bị ngã luôn, một cho đi tàu cho la cả chế một con bé luôn nọ.
โอ้ยเคยลูกควายมันก็มาเมียก็พ่อป้องเลยยังเก็บ
chuyện cá nhân cho bé Hải mong số lên số từ nhóm bị cả thế do biết sư hở bé Hải mong đường cho bị cả một nhà là tinh thở thở sư hở đi xe cái bùa cho được đi một tờ đi xe cái bùa ra được gì nhưng vì cho bị cả tôi chỉ nhận nhà là the feeling here the ramu bị cả tôi tinh thở lúc xí hàng là ủa ý xia cho phát chế cho lúc tinh thở một hoa lúc nâng xia cho tỉnh tế cho mình cả lúc event nó do bé mua cho là thử thiên cho bé đầu tư cho SGU nhưng vì mua là cho tư cho tình thái sacrifice cho lúc tinh thở của cho bé kia tôi tua nhỏ cho lúc tinh thở mình cả nên nó một quý hay mình cả cho bé nhỏ lùa thiết bé nhỏ nó chuyện mình cả. Good morning. My name is Bria Yang. I am the Vice President of Hmong Family Association of Lansing. I am honored and delighted to greet every
opportunity to read it. I will read the last paragraph. In observation of Hmong American Day, we all learn a little more about our hometowns. Michigan is home to a significant number of Hmong refugees after receiving political asylum and citizenship because of their influential contributions. The diversity of the Hmong community adds much to the cultural fabric of our city, state, and country, as they have shared an abundance of their rich culture, traditions, food, and practices of faith. With the wonderful gifts they share, our state certainly has a reason for gratitude and appreciation. In special tribute, therefore, this document is signed and dedicated to commemorating the 48th anniversary of Hmong American Day. We recommend all those who have coordinated the events. We commend all those who have coordinated the events marking this observance, and it's signed by our first Hmong representative, Mai Son, by myself, your representative, by your state senator, Sarah Anthony, by Garland Gilchrist, our lieutenant governor, and by our great governor, Gretchen Whitmer. So thank you all for having us here.
Okay, thank you for coming here. Thank you very much.
SGU has a gift to give you both. Thank you for your dedication to our community. We appreciate it.
Thank you. Hi, everybody. Please excuse me a little bit. I'm going to speak in English first, and then I'll speak in Hmong. ภาษาจากว่า我是雷涛，我要係我俾我錄比較的，同埋係我俾我錄講。Hello, everyone. I'd like to thank everybody for coming and joining us today. My name is Liu Yang, president of Hmong Family Associations here in Lansing, Michigan. Today we come together in celebration of Hmong Day. Today, May 14, 2024, in honor of the Special Guerrilla Unit who helped us during the Vietnam War back in 1961 through 1975. This special event celebrates our Hmong soldiers who served under the direction of the United States military forces and part of the secret war of Laos during the Vietnam War from 1961 to 1975. Because of your tawm.
kia đầu tiên đó chưa nên cho trong thì quay lùng lông cái gì của cái năng từ cầu để hôm mà xài ở đó mình cảm ơn mình.
May 14, 2024 as Hmong Special Guerrilla Unit Veterans Recognition Day in Michigan, and it's signed by Governor Gretchen Whitmer. So I'm going to present this to you all, and thank you for...
cái tủ lú này còn nên nói còn chỉ nhỏ nhau không nào
You're the important people. There you go. Right here.